Let's play a little game. Guess how tall I am? 5.8 or 5.2? You see, it really depends on how I dress. In fact, I'm not that tall. I am 5.5, which is medium height, but most people think I'm much taller in my videos. I've got my professional stylist hacks to cheat my height. In this video, I'm going to reveal most common mistakes petite women, and not only petite women, make in creating their outfits that make them look shorter, and most importantly, how to enhance and elongate your silhouette to look at least 5 inches taller, maybe more. And all that without wearing any high heels. And the first category of outfits I'd like to start with today is the dress outfits. Yes, I know how petite ladies love dresses. It might be challenging to find a perfect one due to a fit, but even a perfect dress needs a proper styling in order to look truly flattering. Have a look here. Have a look at this outfit. I've got gorgeous black dress from Petite Studio, the sponsor of today's video, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment, with contrasting shoes and accessories. It looks feminine and fresh, but it makes me look shorter. One of the missteps is cinching the waist with a contrasting belt to look slimmer. However, you achieve quite an opposite effect because high contrast not only makes my waist look wider, but it also cuts the silhouette in half and shortens it. So let's take it off. Another common mistake is using an oversized bag. A big bag that hits almost the knee draws all the attention to the bottom and shortens my figure immensely. I'm swapping it for a small refined raffia basket that not only matches my frame, but can also be worn on the shoulder or in the hand without adding volume to the bottom of the outfit. I also don't want to draw all the attention to my feet, so I'm swapping the contrasting sandals for neutral caramel slides that blend with the skin color, elongating my legs. Much better, isn't it? Lastly, let's talk about jewelry. I'm medium height, but I have a fine bone structure as I mentioned earlier, so a chunky pearl necklace looks a bit too much. I'm swapping it for a fine pearl necklace to highlight my face and create this focal point in the outfit. As a second option, I can swap the slides for mesh ballet flats. The mesh texture makes them look very light and blend with my skin color while still matching with the dress. And to create an accent, I'm adding an off-white, my favorite medium bucket bag from the row that perfectly matches my height and my frame. Again, it can be worn on the shoulder or just on the elbow, keeping all the volume at the top of the outfit. So what do you think? 1, 2 or 3? Which option makes me look taller? And now let's have a look at the dress in lighter shade, like white for example. If we pair it with black chunky shoes, big oversized tote, large sunglasses, I will look like a petite even if I'm not, just because big chunky details make me appear smaller. And even the white color of the dress doesn't help because combined with these accessories, it looks more like a baby doll. This doesn't mean I can't introduce black accents to the outfit, they just need to be delicate and refined to match my frame. So I swapped the black tote for a medium-sized raffia basket with black details. This adds texture and dimension to the outfit while the black accents add contrast and chic. Next, I swapped the chunky heeled mules for daintier strappy sandals that match the black handles of the bag, allowing the eye to move upwards and elongate the silhouette. And lastly, I swapped the big sunglasses for smaller ones. We need this touch of black on top to extend black color upwards and elongate the silhouette, but it needs to be very subtle. There you go. Do you see the difference? As you see, heels are not the only way to look taller, and if they don't match your frame, they can even have the opposite effect. And of course, when we talk about achieving the most flattering effect, elongating your silhouette and create this very flattering proportions, the big part of it is nailing your perfect fits and silhouettes that work for your unique body shape, which can be different irrespective of your height. And if you still struggle to understand which fits and silhouettes work for your figure shape, I've got a little surprise for those who are new to my channel. I have created a personalized style guide that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions, and you'll get it immediately directly to your mailbox. It's an in-depth illustrated guide packed with very practical styling hacks to achieve the most flattering proportions for your figure shape. Also with the key winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear. And I've also thrown some outfit formulas for different occasions, again tailored to your height and figure. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with it. Don't forget to check it out after watching this video. Let's talk about shorts outfits for petite women. Which model should you go for? Trendy Bermudas, above the knee model, or probably mini hot pants? How to achieve this elongated, flattering effect when styling shorts outfits. In this outfit, I'm wearing leather Bermuda shorts with simple yet chic sleeveless polo top from Petite Studio, flat foam espadrilles, an oversized raffia basket, and large aviator sunglasses. The Bermudas stop right in the middle of my knee, arguably the most unflattering length for petite women, creating equal proportions of 1/3 to 1/3 to 1/3. The shoes have straps that cut my legs, shortening them even more, and the oversized raffia basket shifts all the volume to the bottom. Honestly, you can't imagine a less flattering outfit in terms of proportions, even though the tonal color combo saves it a little bit. First, I'm swapping the back for a small raffia tote, which is harmonious with my frame and creates a focal point on top, exactly what I need to elongate the silhouette. Next, I'm swapping the flat foam espadrilles, which are too chunky and sloppy and cut my legs, for dainty strappy sandals. And most importantly, I'm swapping the Bermudas for shorts. For petite women, knee-length shorts and skirts are the most unflattering as they cut the legs in half, making the silhouette much shorter and often creating the impression that they're a bit too big for them. Lastly, I'm swapping the oversized aviators, which contribute to the unflattering look, for the light cat-eye sunglasses to finish off my outfit. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video, a trendy online brand called Petite Studio, which, as you can guess from their name, is specialized on creating designs for petite women. From dresses and knitwear to skirts, blouses, trousers. What is really precious about the brand, it's not a fast fashion brand, which I know a lot of you appreciate a lot. Instead, they develop small run capsule collections with high quality fabrics and unique designs. It's an Asian American brand created by a petite woman herself with a design studio in New York. All the styles you see today in this video are from Petite Studio. I'm sure you will fancy them a lot. All the information about the styles I'm wearing and the sizing in the info box, so please don't forget to check it out after watching this video. Alternatively, if you don't feel comfortable in shorts, opt for longer bottoms but in 7/8 length, like these super easy yet stylish 7/8 straight leg cotton trousers from Petite Studio. A great summer alternative to shorts. The 7/8 length looks great with open summer shoes like sandals and slides, which is most of the time not the case with tailored trousers. Most importantly, they show off your ankles, which always looks flattering and elongating for the silhouette. And proportions-wise, we still have a shorter torso and longer legs. For the bag, I opted for a structured medium-sized box bag and adjusted the strap so it stops right above the middle of my hip. And here's a little hack for petite women. Always adjust the strap on your bag to make it a bit shorter, to make sure that it stops not lower than the middle of your hip. This way, it will not shorten your silhouette. And if there is no extra hole in the strap, you can easily use a belt hole puncher, which I find is always a handy tool to have around, or just visit a shoemaker to have it done for you. And a gentle reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. I've recently noticed that 75% of my regular viewers who watch almost every single video are not subscribed to my channel, which I find a big pity. That would help my channel and my work a lot, so please don't forget to hit this button. And also welcome to my Instagram channel to stay tuned on a daily basis and get even more practical styling tips and outfit ideas every day. Let's dive into styling skirts. Which lengths to go for and how to style it best. Can petite women wear maxi skirt, or is it a total no-go? The question I got asked quite often. When it comes to choosing the right length, there are three most flattering lengths. It's the mini, just above the knee, as I've shown you previously with the shorts outfits. it's the midi, and surprisingly, it's a maxi length. These three lengths work not only for petite women, but for anyone, as long as the hemline hits the part of your legs where it narrows down. Let me show you the example. To show you the wrong way of styling a skirt, I opted for this gorgeous asymmetric printed skirt and asymmetric top from Petite Studio. By the way, an asymmetric hemline is always a great way to elongate the silhouette, but it only works with the right shoes. In this case, chunky white slides are the worst option. They make the silhouette heavier and shorter. Additionally, a big box bag with a very long strap contributes to this unflattering effect. So how can we fix it? Very easily. First, swap the crossbody bag for a smaller shoulder bag. The asymmetric shape of the bag equals with asymmetric hemline of the skirt. For shoes, if we want to keep the top, which I find super sexy and stylish, the best option would be medium heel sandals. And I promise you they are the only heeled shoes in the whole video. But we really need this lift to elevate the silhouette and dress up the look. What we achieve is that the black in the shoes extends upwards to the top, while the print bonds them together. And a very important disclaimer, the print should always match your height and scale. Petite women look beautiful in small and medium-sized patterns, while taller and plus-size women can afford bigger and bolder prints. As another option, I can go for a white crochet top from Petite Studio and complement it with dentist strappy sandals and a raffia basket with black details, again matching with the print of the skirt. This look is more casual, yet very feminine and effortlessly chic. Which one do you prefer? From midi to maxi, here is a perfect example of how not to style a maxi skirt. Pairing a maxi skirt with long vest, especially one with padded shoulders, makes the silhouette look short and heavy. As I mentioned before, avoid equal proportions, especially those where the top part is bigger than the bottom. A long torso and short legs have never flattered anyone, especially petite women. Adding a big structured tote is the final mistake that ruins this outfit, so let's fix it. By simply removing the vest and pairing the skirt with a gorgeous satin boat neck top from Petite Studio, we blend the top with the skirt, elongating the silhouette and making me look at least 5 inches taller. Swapping the bag for an off-white bucket model adds an accent on top and complements the sandals. And there you go, simple yet so flattering and chic. And last but probably the most important category of outfits is the outfits with trousers. How to find the right fit and how to style it in order to achieve the most flattering effect to look taller and leaner. When it comes to styling trousers for petite women, the most important thing is to find the right fit. Oversized, baggy trousers, especially with a low waist, can drown your in excess fabric and make you look even smaller and shorter, so definitely a no-go. A loose off-shoulder top and a big contrasting tote contribute to this sloppy, laid-back look. So let's enhance it. Start by swapping the bag for a medium-sized off-white bucket bag. Turn the off-shoulder top into a boat neckline to emphasize the beautiful draping and tailored feminine fit. And tuck it in to raise the waistline and shift the proportions. Most importantly, swap the baggy pants for tailored high-waisted 7/8 trousers, another flattering fit from Petite Studio. As you can see, the silhouette is immediately enhanced and my figure goes from wide and short to tall and slim. Voila, that was it for today. I'm really curious to hear the feedback from petite women. Which styling hack worked best for you? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!